Sylvester Stallone, a Hollywood legend known for iconic characters like Rocky Balboa and John Rambo, may not be the first name that comes to mind when we think of philosophers or sages. However, beneath the surface of his action-packed movies and larger-than-life personas, there are valuable lessons in resilience and stoic wisdom that can inspire us all. 1. Embracing life's challenges. Life is full of punches, but it's how you roll with them that defines you. This quote encapsulates a fundamental Stoic principle, the acceptance of life's challenges and adversities. Stallone's Rocky Balboa is the embodiment of this idea, a fighter who continually faces adversity in the boxing ring and in life. The Stoics believed that the path to wisdom and contentment lies in our ability to accept the inevitable hardships of life with grace and resilience. 2. Resilience in the face of adversity. In the ring and in life, it's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. Resilience is a central theme in Stallone's characters and his own life story. This quote reflects the Stoic principle of enduring hardships and persevering through difficulties. Instead of dwelling on the impact of the blow, it encourages us to focus on our ability to continue despite the setbacks. 3. The relentless pursuit of goals. Success is not always about winning. It's about the relentless pursuit of your goals, no matter the obstacles. Stallone's dedication to his craft and his iconic roles are a testament to the Stoic concept of Eudaimonia, or the pursuit of one's highest potential and purpose. The Stoics emphasize the importance of striving for excellence and virtue, regardless of the external outcome. This quote reminds us that success is found in the journey itself. 4. Facing fear head-on. To conquer your fears, you must face them head-on, just like a boxer steps into the ring. The Stoics encourage the practice of facing one's fears and anxieties, as this is often the path to growth and self-improvement. Stallone's characters, especially Rocky, exemplify this principle as they confront their fears and challenges with unwavering determination. 5. Strength of character. It's not the size of the challenges you face, but the strength of your character that determines your success. In Stoicism, character and moral integrity are of paramount importance. This quote reminds us that our response to life's challenges, no matter how daunting, is a reflection of our character. Stallone's characters often emphasize the value of inner strength and integrity. While Sylvester Stallone may not be a Stoic philosopher, his iconic characters and personal journey through the film industry provide us with valuable lessons in resilience and Stoic wisdom. These quotes, inspired by his roles and experiences, reflect timeless principles that can guide us in our own pursuit of a more meaningful and fulfilled life.